This is the most important point to understand, that at present we are having two concepts. This is my public life. There is something which is known as private life. As we know that glory of atom and molecules is discovered in Western countries by scientists, that atom molecules which are called inert, jad, now they have proved they have full efficiency. Atom molecules is able to demonstrate there is a awakened knowledge inside. That awakened knowledge we experience in the form of timeless, spaceless existence. With the help of a cell phone, we can communicate anywhere. With the help of one cell phone, we can talk many persons same time. Persons living on North Pole, South Pole, we are sitting here. Somebody may be sitting on either side of the earth. From here you can call all persons, you can talk it. It means the glory of atom is revealed, that atom is manifestation of Brahma consciousness. But there is further discovery already. Written philosophy in India, Shabd hi Brahma hai. Shabd means spoken language or written language. Whatever language you are speaking, whatever you are writing, letters, alphabet, and word and sentences, each and everything is presence of Brahma. What is the meaning of Brahma consciousness? Where you realize ultimate truth. What is the ultimate truth? There is no space and time. The moment it will be discovered that each and every spoken letter, spoken word, or written word is presence of Brahma consciousness, then you cannot have any privacy. You can live in a hole, dig out a hole 100 meters down, try to sit there, and from there you text message, bad language to anyone. All will be revealed. Or hide yourself and talk about bad things about others, try to plant some criminal affairs about others, all will be revealed. Future will be very good, there will be no privacy of anyone else. Then we will discover, let us find out what is the ultimate truth, what should be lifestyle. Future is going to be bright and bright. You cannot imagine how nice future will be for all. At present, if I say this is my private life, I can do whatever I want in my private house, but public life is concerned for all. In future it will be revealed what is my private life, that is called nutrition of the public life. If in private life I am not good, then in public life I cannot work good. Therefore future is going to be bright and bright. It will be so nice to see. This earth will work as a heaven. Suppose that we are not speaking, we are not writing about anything bad, but internally we are having thought of bad things. That will be also revealed. If all will be revealed and no one is ready to be called bad, then all persons will try to find out what is the best lifestyle, and this earth will appear as heaven, fight will stop, all problems will stop. This is going to be future, and Kriya Yoga is called omnipotent nutrition of the present and future consciousness of this visible universe. What is the meaning of cosmic consciousness? What is the meaning of cosmic? Means this cosmos. What is the cosmos? All creations, visible and invisible, together is cosmos. And it is conscious. What is the proof it is conscious? When we say atom and molecules, they are inert. Water molecule, they are inert. In fact, they are not inert. We do not know how to talk with them. We do not know how to communicate with them. Now science has discovered that within the atom and molecules there is perfect consciousness. We can experience truth. discovery of cell phone, computer, electronics, radar, radio, television is proving that each and every creation is fully conscious, but we do not know how to communicate. As we are communicating each other, and let us close our eyes and try to communicate with the moving arms. We cannot understand. But when I say, I want this, I can also say, I can say, it means I want this. I am not getting, I am a little far away. Somebody will come and help. This is also communication language. But it is not possible when eyes are closed. In the same way, there are so many communication languages. How to talk with atom and molecules is different. Therefore remember, cosmic consciousness has become this visible universe. You should not say that anyone is weak or anyone is ignorant. We do not know how to communicate them. Each and every creation is fully awake in its own style. Now let us try to understand what is the meaning of Guru Purnima. When try to understand what is the meaning of Guru, what does it mean? Dissect this most important word Guru. And how to perform dissection. There are many ways how to perform dissection. Each time I work like different surgeon. This time dissecting in different way. Guru, you can dissect it. First word you will get Guru. Gur, rise half, and plus U. What is the meaning of Gur? Gur means to lift. Anything trying to lift up. And what we want to lift? What is the meaning of lifting process? Lifting process means something is down, you are trying to put it up. What is the meaning of up? Up is expressed by U. Then our thoughts, our ideas, our concept, our concentration of mind, our power of reasoning. Let us all should be lifted up so that all should coincide to a point where we must experience there is no space and time. The moment we realize spaceless, timeless existence, then concept, past, present, future disappears. Beginning, middle, end disappears. The all scientific step of Kriya Yoga meditation in which we practice each and every moment how to ascend our ideas and thoughts, how to ascend our consciousness, how to ascend our concept, concentration of mind and reasoning power, upward more and more, to reach a certain point, the point which is very, very important. On that point, when you stand, when you sit, when you live, then you will realize there is no past, present and future. There is no beginning, middle and end. In brief, Guru is G-U-R. R is silent, there is no R. Guru means the process of lifting. U means up. In U there are double U. U plus U means up and up and up and up. Keep on going up. Therefore, try to ascend your idea, thoughts, concept, concentration of mind and reasoning power. Try to ascend it more and more until we reach a point where you realize no space and time. Then we have achieved perfectness. Purnima is known as perfection. Guru Purnima means practicing Guru consciousness. In short, practicing Kriya Yoga meditation. Keep on practicing till we realize that there is perfect creation, undivided, only one creation. You cannot divide it. That is known as the Purnima. When you realize the whole cosmos is undivided, it is one eternal. That is known as God. Then we have reached to the Guru Purnima consciousness. And how to get this? Just keep on practicing Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely. Practice with the great joy and effort. Ultimately it will be done. Therefore we are very, very fortunate. Now we have time-tested technique. When you practice it, you get all. This is about the Guru Purnima.